Let's fill out the California Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling a boat in California, here's what you need to know. First, you'll need a bill of sale, so make sure you have that document ready to go. Both the buyer and the seller will need to sign it, along with any lien holder if there's a loan on the boat. That lien holder release is important, so don't skip it. You'll also need to transfer the California Certificate of Title to the new owner. So have that title handy and make sure it's filled out correctly. As the seller, you'll want to file a notice of transfer and release of liability. This protects you after the sale is complete, so it's a step you really don't want to forget. Now, here's some good news. California does not require notarization for a boat bill of sale, so you can skip that trip to the notary. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.